Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. It is about 5:30 a.m. right now, which is why I'm talking quietly because the rest of the house is sleeping. I am filming a what I eat in a day today, and I wanted to show you the first thing I'm having. Before this I had a ton of water, and now I'm headed out the door to the gym and I'm having my Bloom pre-workout. I do not want to work out right now. I want to go back to bed, but it is a Monday and we want to start on a good note, so let's go.
Ooh, baby, on the track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try and catch me when I pull up in a zoom, zoom. Oh, no, please don't make that call. We don't want no cars, they ain't ready for the cause. Ooh, baby, on the track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try to catch me when I pull up in a zoom, zoom. Ooh,
Welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day. Today I'm making breakfast as soon as I get home from my workout because I'm hungry. Anyway, this is what we're making. I got some gluten-free sourdough from a bakery here in LA called Bread Block. It is super yummy, so I'm toasting that up, and then I'm whipping up some sauteed spinach and adding 2 scrambled eggs. I'm trying to up my greens right now, and spreading some farmer's market hummus on the bread. So delicious and a perfect post-workout meal. Guys, Greg just made me this green tea with mint leaves. Ever since we went to New York, we've been obsessed with putting mint in tea because we went to some Lebanese restaurants that did that and it was really good.
What actually happened is we were at some Lebanese restaurant getting breakfast. Mario ordered a mint tea, thinking it would just be like a mint green tea, like flavored green tea. And it came and it was just like, it was a glass just like this. And they just took mint leaves and filled it from bottom to top and then just filled it with hot water. And so it was essentially just like a salad drink, but It was really good.
But like my breath smelled amazing after, and it was such a vibe.
Crest should probably go visit that
What
restaurant.
are you drinking?
This is just green tea.
Does anyone want to see a Greg what I eat in a day? Or me and Greg switching what we eat in a day? I would die. I would hate to eat what you eat in a day.
Every day's so different. I'm like so inconsistent.
You eat weird things.
But like, yeah, I would give you my favorites for like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Like
what would you feel if you had to eat what I eat in a day?
I like low carb. It's just obviously a lot less food than I eat.
I'm not low carb, I'm gluten free.
You don't eat that many carbs though, and you still eat high. We eat very similar. We cook for each other, but
do you think you'd be hungry on my diet probably?
With the exact quantity that you eat?
Oh, yeah.
Of course. But I have 70 pounds on you. I have a Lulu on you.
You haven't seen this dump truck lately.
You have a 50-pound ass? That's a problem. We should go to the doctor.
Brown girl, her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey.
Okay guys, I don't know if you can hear me right now, but I'm about to make a snack. So I'll probably do a voiceover on this because it's very loud, but I'm gonna make a quick snack and I'll show you what I'm making.
Better way. Mom and Dad's only daughter.
Hey guys, so I think the construction is on lunch break right now, which is great because I can talk to you. I need to do a little bit of a meal prep situation. We're spending the rest of the workday at the office because I have a bunch of meetings. So I'm actually gonna go in the fridge and grab some meal prep. I actually prepped a bunch of chicken last night and sweet potato, but I'm just gonna make a little Tupperware and bring it to the office. So I thought I would show you guys because it might be useful for some of you that work an office job. So let's see what we have. I have chicken that I made in the air fryer last night. I just marinated it in some stir fry sauce and whatnot. So it's kind of like an Asian chicken. Okay, so that's kind of a lot. I don't need all that. So let's do a hummus plate with the chicken. I actually have this huge thing of celery from the farmer's market, so I'm gonna cut this up as well. Okay, so I'm gonna do this for the microwave, this tiny guy for my cold stuff. Do you guys get what I'm saying? Because I want to be able to heat up the chicken without heating up my carrots because that would be super weird. This is the best hummus. I get it from the Brentwood Farmers Market in LA from Mom's Food Stand. It is divine. I'm gonna have a little dip right now. My naturopath is a big fan of hummus, so I've been eating a lot of that because there's some protein in there. Actually, while we're at it, I'm gonna just prep this celery for the rest of... Ah, there's a bug in here. Didn't love that. I hope I washed it enough. Okay, anyway. Holy sh! I'm too stunned to speak. Guys, I cannot. Well, I'm really glad we discovered that together on camera because no one would believe me otherwise. I have to take a picture and show Greg. Oh my God, I'm so grossed out. I'm leaving. Oh my God, we're not eating celery potentially ever again. I need to hose down my whole house. This is like really hitting me in a negative way. Hi, I've recovered from what happened. I'm sorry I left off on such a dramatic note, but that took me aback. You know, that'll ruin your day for sure. But we're not gonna have negative vibes. We're not gonna be afraid of the farmer's market. We're just gonna move on. We're gonna move on. So I'm having a little snack. We haven't left for the office yet, but I'm a little bit hungry. And I've found that I post a lot of what I eat in a day, and one of my biggest questions is like, when is lunch? And it's kind of like, I don't eat lunch, I just eat small meals regularly throughout the day. And I find that that's better for my blood sugar levels because I have pretty sensitive blood sugar levels, and also it just works for me. So I'm having a couple of these roasted pistachios, which I've been really enjoying. Roasted and salted. Keep refilling this, by the way. Very important. This thing's pretty big and I bring it everywhere. I'm just waiting for Fee to get back. She went to walk her dog, Benny, and then we will head to the office. Can't wait to see the Bloom team. Okay guys, I'm checking in from the Bloom office. Just finished up a fun meeting for a fun new product you guys will learn about soon. I'm having the lunch that I showed you guys already. Carrots, hummus, and chicken, and no ants. So I showed them what happened. That was rough. That was rough. I'm gonna eat this. And then we have another meeting, and I'll talk to you guys when I eat next. Hello guys. Okay, so it is later in the evening. Wow, I look amazing. It is later in the evening. I just meditated again because I'm very overwhelmed, to be honest. The calendar this week is packed. Very, very busy before my family comes, but all good stuff. I just needed to ground myself again, which sometimes you need to do too. I actually did 2 extra meditations just now upstairs. I did 1 3-minute and then realized I needed more and did another 5-minute. But anyway, it's the evening now and I've realized that I need to take my greens. The thing with greens, and I know most of you gals have them by now, but if you don't, you need them. Link in the bio. You need to take them every day. It doesn't necessarily matter when. So for example, like obviously I still need to take, let me take this out because I look like George Washington. Hang on. Greg just said, who's George Washington?
George Washington. That's what you think you look like?
Yeah. I'm gonna take my greens now, but the best thing about them is they prevent bloating. For example, I have been eating all day long, as you guys have seen, but I have very minimal bloating after all that food I had, and that's because of greens. So I'm using coconut today, which is my favorite flavor. Although I love all my children the same, coconut is very, very good. So we're having a nice scoop of coconut. You just gotta give it a quick shake. By the way, guys, the day this video is going up, the day you're watching it, greens are restocked on the Bloom website. I know we're constantly sold out. So if you're seeing this, grab them right now. Can I give them a code? Okay, guys, I've worked it out for you. My subscribers on my channel get 10% off greens. Just use the code LULU on the Bloom website for 10% off. A special code for you guys since you guys are my fam. Cheers. Yum, yum. And if you haven't had your greens today, this is your reminder. Let's have dinner. Okay, guys, tonight's dinner is a lettuce burger, which Greg kindly made for me. We've got a bison patty, onions, tomato, and pickle. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do my burger sauce because I get asked a lot about this. It's nothing groundbreaking, but I get a lot of questions about it. So, Primal Kitchen, unsweetened ketchup, delicious. That's mostly what I put in there. Then Primal Kitchen Dijon mustard, organic. I like this brand for condiments because they keep it pretty simple. No sweetener or anything like that, which we don't need. And then we're doing the avocado oil mayonnaise. So we're avoiding any canola or anything like that, which is gonna cause inflammation in the body, which is not what we want. We wanna be deflamed. And by the way, guys, this is probably like the one night of the week where I'm having red meat. at the moment. I do think red meat has a lot of benefits and I think it's good for you, but in moderation. And that is what my naturopath has told me is healthy for balancing my hormones at the moment. So if you don't agree, you could, just kidding. So guys, this is the final result for dinner. Lettuce burgers are one of my favorite meals. Don't knock it till you try it. I'm also having the Zevia, which I'm completely addicted to these. They taste like soda to me. So I'm gonna eat this. I'm debating having some dessert, so I'll let you guys know if I do. I feel like it's just been one of those days for me, like where stuff like this is happening. And by the way, my backdrop is obviously because of the construction that I showed you guys earlier. What would you think if this was just my background? Like I was living in like a cave, I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and don't forget to subscribe. I upload videos every single Monday at 5 p.m. PST. I'm on a good streak right now. I'm really hoping I don't miss one. My family is visiting, so that could cause a problem, but I don't think it will. But anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this full day of eating with me. I had so much fun hanging out with you guys. Comment below what you want to see next. See you in the next video. Okay, update, I'm actually having a second burger. I ran out of lettuce though. Okay, bye.